Hi guys, let's say if you have an iPhone and you realize that you're not hearing notifications, you are not hearing when persons are calling, especially if you are an elderly person, you're not a tech person. There's a simple thing that causes problem. When you check your volume and you realize that, hey, my volume is up, so let's pull up the volume using the volume button, as you can see, or you can scroll on at the top and you can put up the volume, but still you realize that you're still not hearing the notifications for your email, for your WhatsApp message, for your FaceTime, for your TikTok, and also for your straight calls. You're not hearing when your phone is ringing. I've seen this happen to persons in the past. There is a small button right here. So if you're not aware of this, there's a small button here just above. Let me come closer. Just above the volume up and down, there's a small switch here. And you can switch this up, you can switch this down. But what this does, let me show you what this does, right? This actually is a silent button, right? So guys, if I hit it, you can see it says silent mode, and we won't get any call. We will not hear when the phone ring. We will not hear when the notification comes in. We will not hear when the email comes in. So it's a shortcut. As you can see, if you want to enable the silent mode, if you're in a meeting, you can use this switch. And we just took off the silent mode. As you can see here, we put it on. As you can see, no notification. So guys, you want to check this switch, ensure that it is on, so you can get your calls. You can hear when your phone ring. You can hear when your messages comes in. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.